What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite bread and butter A plus ICT setups that happens every single day. You can pass your funded challenge with this and become profitable. Okay. So now we're going to be talking about this time. Okay. You're going to want to trade uh, ES. Okay. What? ES or S&P 500 NQ NAS 100 or anything USD paired. Okay. Okay. So these are our pairs. You're gonna want to trade it between 10 to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York. Right. Okay. So you want to have your chart here set to UTC -5. Okay. So from 9:30 to 10. Okay. 9:30 is when the CME open is. All right. So if we toggle electronic trading hours to regular trading hours, we will get these gaps in price. Right. So if we go over here, we can see 9:30 is when we get the open. Right. So there's a gap in price here. All right. Go back to electronic. Now, go back to last Monday. Okay. So what happens from 9:30 to 10? Okay. This is typically our fake swing. Okay. So if you notice, price went up, right? So from 9:30 to 10 is our Judas swing or our fake out. At 10 o'clock, we'll be looking for price to reverse or create some sort of reversal pattern, right? So right here we have fair value gap 1. But you want to wait for 10 o'clock, right? So we have 1 minute fair value gap there. Then price creates another one in here. Okay. Look to the left. Is there anything we're tapping into? No. All right. We drop down, come back up in here at 10:07. So once we start to break this low here, you get your market structure shift, changing the state of delivery here. 1 minute bearish fair value gap. You can be short in here once we tap into this 1 minute. Your stop is going to be 5 points. And your take profit is going to be 5 points. Okay. Now, we can target this low here as our sell side. We have equal lows resting below here. All of this liquidity from the buyers, right? So this is our sell side liquidity. So this can be our first take profit there. Okay. Take profit 1. And then targeting 10 there. Take profit 2. Clearly, gives us plenty of room to shoot for that sell side, capturing a 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 1, you can still be consistently profitable. A little bit of drawdown here when we enter there. This was our entry. So a little bit of drawdown in there, but we just placed lower about 10-15, drop down, tap into another fair value gap in here, drop down. Okay, you take out sell side. Boom. Another confluence, we're above midnight opening price. So if you want to be a seller, this just adds to your confidence in selling. You're above midnight opening price. Okay. 10 o'clock comes in here, 10-10, entry. Boom. Okay. Let's go to Tuesday. Okay. Another confluence I like to add to this strategy is if London shows a certain direction, then about 80% of the time, New York is a continuation. Sometimes it is a reversal, so just be aware. But I'll look at London as a confluence and then look at our 930 to 10. Okay, so 930 is a little choppy in here, but you see around 930 here, 930, we get this kind of trend line in here, right? We chop around, but ultimately, if you were to draw a trend line, you can kind of see it's more of an up move, right? Because this candle's lower than this candle here at 10. So you just wait for a liquidity, clear displacement, right? So here, 1023, we get this huge candle, right? So we get this huge bearish 1 minute candle. Since it's so big, target in here, 50%, stops 5, take profit 5 points. Okay, look at that, 1 to 1, boom. So as soon as we tap in, we wick up a little bit, tap into this 1 minute, and then drive lower. Okay. We do drive a little bit lower underneath midnight opening price there into 1130. But let's see, does it give you 10? Not quite 10. So nice 5-point scalp there. Took out the London low as sell side liquidity. Okay. You can see London was bullish, right? Bullish. So we're looking for New York continuation. Do we have a fake out from 930 to 10? We do, right? Judas swing. So now we're waiting for buy side liquidity to be taken, which you can target this high here. Buy side liquidity. Okay, relatively equal highs there. 10 o'clock, you gotta wait. So we're waiting to see clear displacement. So we get change in the state of delivery here. Right here. CISD, where you at? And then our market structure shift right there. Drop back down, and then we get a nice shift here. So you can be a buyer if you want to. In here, anywhere in here. See how the candle bodies are respecting? Anywhere in here. If it comes back in here, you could be a buyer. You have a Well, let's switch this to blue. And then you have a fair value gap in there. You'd be a buyer. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes right in here, right? This order block. Again, in here, we got a couple chances there, in here, and in there. Okay. So again, we longed in here, 5-point stop, right? 5-point take profit. Boom, you're done there. We shoot for buy side, we get about 8. So you can definitely target 8, a little bit at 1.15. Trail your stops if you wanted. Maybe try to squeeze out 10 for 1 to 2. Okay. This is a high probability setup. Okay. Has a very high win rate. So shooting for a 1-to-1 for 5 points is not bad, right? So if we had one contract, right? Let's replay this. Price forward. One contract. Let's go back a little bit. Buy there, right? Stop loss. You're only risking 225, right? Take profit, you're going to make 225, right? In a matter of minutes, though, that is somebody's 8 to 10 hour workday within minutes. All right. 1, 2, 3. Let's say you got in another one, 2 contracts, right? With your stop loss, risking 500 to make, let's make it even 500 there. Right. Boom. Your goal, okay. Your goal is going to be 3 trades a week, which should equal 15 points, right? 15, each of these is 5 points or 20 ticks or 20 pips, right? So 5 points times 3, 15 points a week. Okay. You only want to trade 1 to 2 trades a day, risking half to 1% per trade. Okay. Using these rules at these times. Okay. Now, if you want to trade with us live, you can trade in the Discord. We trade on Zoom live. Okay. Play by play. We just had someone get funded last week. Everyone's getting certificates in here, getting funded. Tons of testimonials. We can go through here. People getting paid out. Okay. Then click the link below. The Discord lifetime is still only $49.99 for a lifetime. Okay. The boot camp, we start on the February 9th, which would be every Monday morning. So we tap the boot camp. 5th, at February 5th. Okay. This is like getting it's like we trade every Monday and we go into class. Now, if you want the accelerator, right? This is only going to be available for like 5 people. I'm going to cap it out. Okay. This, I'm going to work with you exclusively one-on-one for 90 days. Okay. We're going to elevate your trading. It's going to be personalized for you. Whether it's enhancing your trading strategies, refining your risk management, mastering psychological aspects, program is going to be tailored for you. And it comes with a weekly 1-hour Zoom call with me that's recorded real time. All right. And here's the thing, my goal is to help you get funded within 90 days. Okay. Find consistency, elevate your trading, work with me specifically for 90 days. And if you do not get funded within 90 days, I'm going to keep working with you until you do for free. All right. So if you want to work with me, I'm only working with 5 people. Grab the accelerator or get in the Discord, trade with us Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays from 10 to 11 New York Eastern Standard Time, where we're taking these trades and these setups pretty consistently. Then click the link in the bio. Um, get in there with us. There's over 200 people with us in here. Tons of educational content, self-development, tons of chats, intraday calling it out. If I'm not live on certain days, then I will still pull up positions and pull up what I'm seeing on the charts in intraday. Okay. Um, or you can trade with us live on Zoom. All right. Come in, elevate your trading, get funded, and come kill it with everybody in here with us. So we would love to have you. All right. So click the link below. Don't forget to hit that comment, like, and subscribe. Any questions you have. Until next time, guys, trade safe.